Welcome to a Sales Edge Quick Tip. In this quick tip, we'll cover how to manage a subject area as well as how to request promotional ads and banners. After this short training, you should be well equipped with the information you'll need to promote your next launch or content update. Let's start by becoming acquainted with some of the communications vehicles available to you in Sales Edge. From the Documents homepage, you'll quickly notice a rotating banner at the top of the screen. This banner is available for promoting upcoming launches, marketing campaigns, and other high-impact information. You'll notice the Efficient Enterprise Campaign Launch banner in this example. When clicked, the user is directed to the Efficient Enterprise Sales Kit. Banners can point to dashboards, announcements, or specific pages and documents within Sales Edge. Just below the banner is the Announcement section. High-profile, global impact announcement titles are highlighted here and provide a link back to the complete announcement feed for further information. As you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see the Sales Edge Help section. This is where you'll be able to make requests for banners, announcements, dashboards, and other services. Click on Contributor Requests to be taken to the request processing site. Once on the request site, find the request that is most appropriate for what you're looking to achieve. For this example, we're going to request a banner ad. So I will click the Contributor Requests link. And that's going to take me to the Contributor Request form. You'll start the process by providing a name for your project. Next, select what type of project you are requesting. You'll notice there are a number of actions listed here, so choose the best fit. Once again, for our example, we'll be choosing banner ad. Then you'll just choose what segment you are a part of, either large enterprise, public, or SMB. And then you can choose your region. You can choose Americas, Asia Pacific, EMEA, or Latin America. Please note that if this is a global request, you can leave this area blank. Next, let us know what kind of subject your request covers. For example, choose either products, services, or solutions. In the Special Instructions area, provide a detailed description of what you are requesting along with any special instructions. Finish up by clicking OK to submit your request. You'll know your request was received when you see this summary page. If you need to change any of the details, you can click on the project name to make edits. On the Sales Edge request site, you will also find forms to request a new dashboard and to change ownership of existing dashboards. Now that we've covered making change requests, let's take a look at the subject area landing pages in Sales Edge. We'll click on the server's image to take us to the server's subject area landing page as an example. This is the server's subject area landing page. Subject area landing pages are controlled and managed by a subject area owner or area editor. If you feel that you should be the area editor for a particular page in Sales Edge, let us know by emailing salesedge@dell.com. At the top of the page, you'll find the header. The header includes an icon and short description of the content available from this landing page. The area editor can make changes to this description and upload new photos by clicking on the Edit button on the upper right of the header area. This opens the Edit Page Header dialog box. You can browse to an image on your computer that you would like to represent the subject area. Keep in mind that this will be resized to a 100 by 100 pixel image, so use an image that will look good at small sizes. Next, there is a text box for your short description of the subject area. Header text is limited to 256 characters, so keep your description short and succinct. Once complete, click on OK. Just below the header, you'll find the featured area content. This section is currently editable only by the Sales Edge team. However, we want to work with our subject area editors to create pages that are up to date and accurate. The Contributor Request form is a great place to let us know how you would like your featured areas set up. There is space for 3 sections with images and up to 5 links for each section. This is a good example of a featured area content and how it should look. If you have questions, as usual, email us at salesedge@dell.com. Now let's scroll down a bit and take a look at the rest of the page. On the right of the screen there is an area for promotional ads. Ads can be tied to specific search terms so that they appear whenever a specific search term is entered in search, regardless of the results. They can link to dashboards, landing pages, or documents within Sales Edge. This is a great way to advertise special promotions. Just below the featured area content is the Spotlight section. This section allows you to highlight documents of value for easy access by sales. These are the must-have documents for this subject matter. You'll also notice that the documents can be organized into categories or buckets. These categories can help facilitate finding the information much more easily. Area editors can make changes to the Spotlight section by clicking on the Edit button. This will open the Spotlight editor. As mentioned, the Spotlight section includes document buckets or categories as well as documents. You can edit the order in which the buckets appear in your Spotlight section by clicking the number next to the bucket name and choosing the order which you want the bucket to appear. If I enter the numeral 1 next to the Sales Resources bucket and click anywhere on the screen, the Sales Resources bucket and the documents within it appear first. Incidentally, you can also arrange the order of documents within a bucket by clicking on the pencil icon next to the bucket name. If you need to add a new document bucket, you can do so by clicking on Add Document Bucket in the upper left corner of the dialog box. This opens the Add Document Bucket dialog, where you will be able to create and name new buckets for your Spotlight section. Click OK to accept changes. So now that we've managed the Spotlight section and added a new bucket, let's go ahead and add a document to the Spotlight. Start by finding the document you want to add to the Spotlight and click on the Action drop-down list. Then choose Add to Spotlights. Once in the Add to Spotlight dialog box, you'll navigate to the subject area where you want to add the spotlighted document. In our example, we're spotlighting the document for the server's landing page. Once you've chosen your area, click Next. Now you'll be able to add the document to an existing bucket in your Spotlight section, for example, the one we created earlier, or you can create a new bucket from here as well. To create a new Spotlight document bucket, just choose Create New Bucket, enter the name of your new bucket, and click Finish. So, now we've got our new bucket called Presentations, and the document is spotlighted within. Keep in mind that any new additions will appear at the end of the list, so if you want to arrange either the document order or buckets, click on Edit on the Spotlight section to make your changes. This concludes the Contributor Quick Tip on managing subject areas and promotions. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email us at salesedge@dell.com. We'll be happy to help.